show, Michael, and I just want to see what this drop looks like.
It ain't easy, but it sure looks like fun. And look at Blue Meanie. He's checking out the goods. So the Godfather puts the Intercontinental title on the line against the Blue Meanie here on New York. But Vince, in just 8 days and over the edge, the Godfather is going to take on the Blue Blazer.
That's right, Michael, the world's greatest superhero. The Blue Blazer will have his shot at that Intercontinental title.
So Owen Hart has a chance to win the Intercontinental Championship again.
The Blue Blazer, Michael, will have his shot at the Intercontinental title.
That happens at Over the Edge, but the Godfather and the ladies got to get by the Blue Meanie right here tonight on WWF New York, and check out the Godfather.
2 out of 3 ain't bad, Michael. I may throw you to one in a white dress.
It's time once again for everybody to come aboard the Hall Train. Hey, what y'all think?
They're eyeballing me again, Michael. They're eyeballing me.
They're
looking at me.
Pimps and pimpettes that know that the Godfather be pimping nationwide. I want you to reach down and light it up for the Godfather and say, pimpin' ain't easy! Come on in here, man. Come on in here.
Oh, boy.
Come on in. Don't
These
worry.
poor
Don't be
girls.
afraid.
What if Meanie takes the chicks?
Hey, listen up, man. Listen up. You look a little lost without your mommy. Well, guess what, my brother? I got some real mommies for you.
Oh, baby.
So, listen up, listen up. You have your choice of either fighting me, knowing I'm gonna kick your ass.
Wait a minute.
Business is about to pick up, JR, baby.
Here comes the Blue Meanie's mommy, Goldust, or at least he claims. Goldust still hasn't gotten over the fact that he lost the Intercontinental Championship to the Godfather, the Blue Meanie from behind.
Sucker.
Intercontinental title now on the line, right here on WWF New York.
Well, let's face it, that's exactly what the Blue Meanie needed. He needed that early advantage to have a shot, but I don't know, things don't look too good for him right now, Michael.
And he has Goldust outside the ring. Here's Godfather now, tried for the elbow. Meanie rolls out of the way. Folks, at Over the Edge, if the Godfather gets through this one, he defends the Intercontinental title against the Blue Blazer. Another big match on that huge card at Over the Edge. Former friends, the New Age Outlaw. Oh, man. Billy Gunn and the Road Dogg are going to go one-on-one. And Billy Gunn been doing a lot of running lately, but he finally met Kane one-on-one this past week on Raw.
And Michael, you know what I love about that matchup at Over the Edge? I love the fact that this isn't about a 1-2-3. This isn't about getting a pin. This is two friends who have now become brutal enemies. And you know this is going to get ugly. It's going to be nothing less than a war.
Yeah, brutal enemies because, as usual, B.A. Billy Gunn is putting himself in front of everybody.
That's right, Michael, and it should be every man for himself. That's how you get ahead in this world.
Yeah, Billy Gunn will pay in the long run, perhaps at Over the Edge, and just a week away.
His fly's open, Michael. The guy's fly's open.
And there's a kick out.
Look at that. Hideous.
Meanie's fly's open. Well, you know, he was getting ready perhaps to take the Godfather's offer.
Let's not get panicky.
Godfather now side headlock on the Blue Meanie. And look at Goldust now hanging out with the girls.
I think they're digging him.
Godfather up over the top, the 290-pounder with a boot to the face now of Blue Meanie.
Not much offense, by the way, of Blue Meanie here. He better do something.
Tell you what, the Godfather jokes, talks about the Ho Train, but this guy is a horse in the ring. Tremendous athlete, martial arts expert.
Yeah, well, I don't think he's going to have...
Hey, Goldust has got the Intercontinental title belt.
Oh!
Meanie went for the clothesline. It's like walking into a brick wall. Meanie backed into the corner now. Godfather whips him across the ring. Folks, don't forget, Sunday Night Heat tomorrow night, 7 o'clock USA. All aboard the Ho Train. Here comes the Godfather.
Baby. Oh!
And Goldust, for some reason, carrying the Godfather's Intercontinental Championship belt, and the Meanie from behind with a clothesline.
Well, Goldust is doing everything possible to help his son here.
Up on the apron of the ring now.
They're going to set him up with that belt, Michael.
Goldust with the belt now. Missed Godfather and hit Meanie on the back of the head. And Godfather now in control. Look out, Meanie going for the ride. It is pimp drop time. He connects here. This one's over.
Oh, that's it, Michael.
Forget about it. Hook of the leg.
Done.
Godfather's going over the edge. Still Intercontinental Champion.
The winner of this bout, and still World Wrestling Federation Intercontinental Champion, The Godfather.
It is celebration time for the Godfather. Look at this.
Well, we'll see what happens at Over the Edge when he's in that ring with the superhero, the Blue Blazer.
Why don't you get an entourage?